So I am Arnab Bhattacharya from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at IIT Kanpur. So we also have a Center for Indian Knowledge System. I'm also part of that. I'm the coordinator for that. So I am here in this beautiful place, Auroville, for the ISCLS Symposium, which is Sanskrit Computational Linguistics Symposium. And this, I think, is a very important area. Sanskrit is one of the most interesting languages, if not the most beautiful language. And we require these computational tools to try and understand Sanskrit probably much more than what manually it can be done. Having said that, there are nuances of Sanskrit that it's actually quite difficult for machines to automatically grasp it. So AI machines, whether they can actually grasp it or not. So this symposium is about all of that, trying to make tools for that and trying to see where the boundaries can be, trying to push the boundaries, etc. I have been working with Sanskrit for more than a decade now. I have myself done some more work, and as a process of that, at least I have learned this very beautiful language, and now I am much more comfortable speaking or listening or reading to Sanskrit. Now this conference, this symposium is happening after some years, and this time the venue was chosen such that the ambience and everything is so nice here. I mean, coming to Auroville, this is my first time coming to Auroville. I have always heard nice things about it, and I can say that what I heard is actually not what it is. This is actually much more beautiful and serene than what I expected it to be. I heard there are a lot of people, but it is still so nice. In fact, the outside, I'm sitting here, you can probably all see the nice background and all those things. So that's extremely peaceful to be here. So, unfortunately, a lot of Indians and a lot of the whole world population still do not understand Sanskrit at all. So they can probably be enamored by the nice chanda of the slokas. They can probably listen to it, they'll probably read it aloud, but they do not really understand the meaning. And therefore, it is a task to try and make people realize the potential of Sanskrit as a language, and also its different texts. Now, Sanskrit as a language has much more text than the entire Latin, Greek, and other old classical languages combined. So it is our duty as computer scientists to bring those things out computationally. There should be readers to help people who understand a bit of Sanskrit or know Sanskrit to understand what is there. There should be, and Sanskrit is there is a lot of sandhi and samas, all of these things. So somebody who has just started on Sanskrit, it is actually quite hard to understand which is the word, where is the word boundary, etc. So computational tools can automatically do that and can help people realize the different word meanings, the different word senses that are in Sanskrit, and essentially popularize the language. Of course, the other important thing is question answering, chat GPT kind of issues, whether that can be done in Sanskrit itself, translation, all of that are standard computational linguistic issues. But Sanskrit, as I said, has got something on its particular as well. There are certain things that are only for Sanskrit, so it has to be better for that. So this symposium, at least in my mind, has got two important values. The first is this is to push the boundaries of Sanskrit computational linguistic research. There should be more tools, there should be more ideas, etc. But more importantly, this is a community building. So this community is meeting together, so different ideas can be exchanged. This helps research grow much more fast. Plus also, this is a signal to the outside world that there are researchers, there are academicians, there are industry people who are very serious about this, who are passionate about this. So if you want to join them, you are not going to be alone. There are already some things done. So this is also a signal, as I said, to students that, well, if you do this, there is somebody to support you, there is somebody to look at your work, etc. So these are the two most important things.